Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to your Bitcoin show. Listen, I'm glad to have you guys here. Today is January 27th. It's a Monday. Welcome to the show. Now, let's get started. Let's open up the charts right here and take a look at what's going on with cryptocurrency today. We're seeing a price of 200, a market cap for the total cryptocurrency industry right now is 243.6 billion. It's been going up this morning, and it's almost 243.7 billion. I just refreshed the page. 65.5% Bitcoin dominance today. We're seeing a move upwards on all of these coins. Bitcoin is at $8,783. Ethereum is at $170.87. XRP is at 23.2 cents. Bitcoin Cash is at $372.68. Bitcoin SV is at $315. EOS is at $4.03. Litecoin is almost $60, $59.27. Binance is at $17.66. Ethereum Classic is at $10.72. Stellar is at 6.1 cents. Cardano is at 4.6 cents. Tron is at 1.7 cents. Monero's 65.32 and Dash is 117.20. So there's your top coins. They're all moving up right now in price. Bitcoin has broken the 7-month downtrend, but must clear these hurdles to make 10K. Now, the market's turning bullish. It's starting to turn bullish right now. But will this bullish trend continue when we have problems in the financial system related to the virus in Wuhan, China? When these markets start to trend downwards, like the Dow Jones and stuff, we're going to have to see what the impact is on cryptocurrencies, whether it's going to move them down or move them up, if the rest of the markets start to have a lot of turmoil and problems in the general financial system overall. Bitcoin is on its way to becoming a stable, sound, secure investment for investors, a place to store their money in. But I say it's on its way there. It's not there yet, and there is still quite a bit of volatility in the market. Let's take a look here at what Deutsche Bank says. Just a sec. Let me refresh the page. Deutsche Bank says Bitcoin is too volatile to be a reliable store of value. Well, I remember the early days of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. You want to think it's volatile now? Oh, my lands, it's nothing compared to what it used to be. I remember these moves down and moves up of like 30%, 40%. Up and down in a matter of hours, just a roller coaster used to be. Now it seems to be much more stable and much less volatile than it used to be. And, who's Deutsche Bank to be pointing the finger anyway? What's up with Deutsche Bank? They're the most systematically biggest risk in all of the banking system right now. They've run their bank into the ground, and they're sitting there, and they're going to tell us that Bitcoin's too volatile to be a store of value? Well, what about their bank? Is their bank a good store of value? They're losing money left and right. Money's leaking out of Deutsche Bank to the left and to the right. And how are they staying in business even? I'm wondering. It says Deutsche Bank believes Bitcoin is highly volatile. It's too volatile, according to them, to be a reliable store of value. It says Bitcoin payments also still represent a tiny fraction of global payments. Just a sec, let me refresh the page again. They keep trying to put these ads up. Store of value, according to new research from financial services giant Deutsche Bank. Sounds to me like Deutsche Bank is down on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Okay, let's look at another article right here and see what's going on. Cryptocurrencies will not replace cash, not in our lifetimes. Deutsche Bank. Again, Deutsche Bank. Really, they're down on cryptocurrencies right now. Deutsche Bank is, and are they a mouthpiece for all the other banks? That's what I'm wondering. What's keeping them afloat? Their stock price, has been going along sideways, and it's down near bottom, but it's been going along sideways for a long time. And why isn't it dropping off a cliff, I wonder? Just things I'm wondering about, It says Deutsche Bank prepared a report on the future of money. The cryptocurrencies have potential, but they won't replace cash. It says while cash usage has been decreasing recently, it is still far from being totally replaced with cashless payments. With digital currencies, according to the latest report prepared by Deutsche Bank. The experts believe that the cash will be around for a long time. I believe it's going to be around for a long time, too. I know these bankers, they want to get rid of cash desperately bad so that they can go into negative interest rates. And that way you'll go to the bank, and you'll say, I want to withdraw my money, and the banker will look you in the face and say, well, cash doesn't exist anymore. Sir, just how are you going to withdraw your money? That's why they want to get rid of cash. They want to corner you. They want to corner you. But the world's going into a financial period of disruption and turmoil. And, cash is going to still be used because it exists in our real world. They want to move us into some sort of digital world where there is no cash. But that doesn't mean they're going to be successful. So Deutsche Bank made this report, and you can see they're really down on cryptocurrencies because cryptocurrencies are the competition to the bankers. And of course, I guess Deutsche Bank's acting as a mouthpiece for the rest of the banks. And of course, they're down on cash. Down on cryptocurrencies. So anyway, listen, thank you guys for listening to this report. You guys have a nice rest of the day, a nice rest of the week. And I'll try to get back to you again tomorrow. We'll see what's happening in the markets and how it's affecting Bitcoin and the overall price of Bitcoin. I know there was a big drop in the Dow today, 400 and some odd points. You guys have a nice day and give me a thumbs up. Remember to give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye, guys.